I will draw again the floor. See? This is the floor. This is x1, x2. See? And here, attention now. This here is point Q, is not P, because this is the floor. Let's put here, is the floor. See? Point Q. You see? Here is P, here is Q. Don't forget that. I'm working on the floor. See? Now, this is my angle, theta, and this is my rho. Now I will draw the vectors. See? This is my A, rho. And this over here, I didn't show yet, but I will show. This is A, theta. See? Now, they are orthogonal, okay? Because, sorry, this is a rho. Okay? This is a theta. Okay? Attention now, the modulus of a rho is equal to 1, but the magnitude of a theta is not 1, it's rho. Attention now. And also, modulus of a z is equal to modulus of E3 is equal to 1. Okay? Because this corresponds to here, okay? This will be 1. Again, coordinates, cylindrical coordinates, the bases, they are orthogonal, but it's not orthogonal. See? Because modulus of a rho is 1. Modulus of AZ is also 1 because it's K or a 3 or a 3. Okay? But modulus of this is not. So I'll have this figure here, and this is a point. Here I have this a rho, and this a theta, this a rho. Okay? And here AZ. Okay? I'll make a better drawing. Here. Let's put parallel to this plane here. Okay? That's for you to understand. I have curve, then I have a rho. This is a theta, and this here is AZ, or I'll write down, or E3. Okay? See, they are orthogonal. See? The 3 are orthogonal. This is a point P. Okay? It's, that's important for you to know. But remember that a theta dot, this is not 1, so this is rho squared. Remember that. But a rho dot a rho is equal to 1. See? So I can write a rho a theta AZ, this set is not, I will put there, just the positive, is orthonormal. But not orthonormal. Now, one thing that to finish this, I will show you how to draw geometrically a theta and a rho. Okay, I just put on the floor, you see it clearly. Look at that.